guys, welcome back to Linda's Eating Show. It's your girl Linda. How are you guys? Did you guys miss me? I've been relaxing, chillaxing with the family. Try to post some videos, but they were no good. But yeah, and then I'm on lunch right now. I have some random food right now. What do I have? I have some tilapia, some Alfredo, some chips, and a kale salad. And I got some, what is this called? Sun-Kissed and a Capri Sun. I'm so hungry. How are you guys? You guys, it's been so crazy here at work. We do self-guided tours, and I believe since summer is around the corner, everybody's trying to move. Tours back to back to back. Yeah, I mean, work's been crazy. Can't complain because I still got a job. I'm very thankful for that. I gotta keep this shirt clean because I'm a messy eater. A little shrimpy. Cheetos and Alfredo. Cheetos and Alfredo. Cheetos and Alfredo is yummy. A little bit of everything on this bite. A little fish. You guys, I have an announcement. You guys, why do you think I'm eating all these different types of foods? I'm pregnant. Just kidding. Fooled you. I'm not pregnant. Did I get you? Kale salad, poppy seed dressing, This is one of my favorite salads. It has cranberries, green onions, pumpkin seeds, cabbage, kale, cilantro, I think. No, there's no cilantro. That's like kale. You guys, I've been getting some weird messages on Instagram. Not on my personal page, but on the Mukbang Instagram that I have. And I think from now on, I will no longer open up messages if, first of all, it doesn't have a profile picture. But yeah, I think that's gonna do something. I mean, if I see that doesn't have a profile picture, most likely it's like just a sicko with a capital S. Excuse me. Don't be weird. You know who you are. Oh my god, you guys, I got something to tell you. Mother's Day. My 11-year-old daughter and I planned the day before that, you know, let's wake up, let's spend some quality time together. Let's go for a run at this marina by where I live at. We get there like around 7 something, like early 7. And then she's holding on to my keychain and has like a big hook. And that big hook has like 2-3 different other circle hooks attached to it. In the whole midst of it all, as we were running, we ran all over the park area, like all the way down to the right side where the boats are, and then all the way back. She lost my keys. Thank God it wasn't my car keys. Other set of keys. It was important keys though for me. I posted signs, 2 signs, one on the bench area where I was at, and one at the beginning of the entrance. Like, if you found some keys, call this number. Excuse me. Ew, that was ugly. Excuse me. But never found them. As I was leaving, because I had work that day, Mother's Day, you know, still have to work. Before I left the marina, I asked a few people, and I said, hey, like, did you guys find any keys? Because they were walking out too. And he was like, yeah. He was like, they're in the trash can. And I was like, in the trash can? I was like, where? He was like, oh, no. Not in the trash can, on top of the trash can. I'm like, oh, where? And he got my hopes up. And he's like, down the pathway. So I'm thinking, yes, it's the pathway that I went to. I was like, towards the boat? He's like, yes. So Me and her were running past every trash can. Mind you, there's like like 15 trash cans, because there's a recycling one and then a regular trash can one. So there's 2 in each little section. Excuse me. We run past every trash bin there was, looking like maniacs, because I'm trying to rush not to be late for work. End of the story. I mean, I was late for work. I text my boss, let her know the situation, but never found them. Nobody's ever contacted me. And you know what? The truth, when he said it, it came out so naturally. He's like, oh yeah, it's in the trash. He must have picked it up and threw it away, right? Because why would he change his story? Why? That's so wrong though. If you find keys, why would you throw it away? It was really good. A Mother's Day that I will not forget. Oh my God. You guys, I missed the gym so much. This ABC song stuck in my head from TikTok. I was playing it with my baby and she was dancing to it. It's the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? That one. And she was getting it. She was dancing. And the way she dances, her little fast feet, like, just like that, just, and her little ankle bells, like, so cute. She loves any kind of music. And now, Every time she eats something that she really likes, she wiggles her body. I think she got that from her mama. I'm out of Alfredo. Oh. Isn't this little mason jar cute? It's so tiny. I love these pumpkin seeds. What's the new food trend? Food challenges. I haven't been on YouTube lately, even not recording and not watching either. Sometimes I get too sucked into YouTube that I lose myself. Excuse me. And I don't like that. I get so into it to the point where, excuse me, not that, but I just like don't have time for anything else. Like my whole everything just gets put into it. And I feel like my priorities are not in order. My number one priority is to take care of my family. And working full time and having 3 kids and a dog and a husband. It's the juggling of it to try to be on top of everything. It's very stressful. I'm about to be 31 next month. I can't believe it. I don't feel 31.
I feel like these chips are just like croutons in a salad. It's very good. I meal prepped this fish 2 days ago. I don't like it anymore. It tastes like dry. Last bite. I'm eating very carefully because a lot of times when I eat chips like that, mixed with other food, it stabs the heck out of my roof, of my mouth or my gums. It hurts. Finished just about everything. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me still. Please hit that subscribe button. Here? I gotta remember. Here? Is it here? Anyways, subscribe, like my video, share it, leave a comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.